Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by softening the glue so removal is controlled. Use an oil-based cleanser or pure oil on a cotton pad and press gently on closed lids for 2-3 minutes. Once done, steam your face or hold a warm compress for another 3-5 minutes to further loosen bonds. Make sure to protect lower lashes with tape or a gel pad. You'll feel the adhesive relax, which reduces pulling. Now pick up a clean spoolie and prepare to separate extensions carefully. You now work one lash cluster at a time to avoid damage. First, brush to see where the extension meets your natural lash. Then touch a micro swab soaked in oil to the base and hold 30-60 seconds so the adhesive dissolves. When the glue loosens, tilt the extension slightly and slide it toward the tip. Never yank. If it resists, reapply oil, wait, and try again. Keep breathing slowly. A steady hand and patience prevent natural lash loss. You finish by removing residual oil and adhesive so lashes and lids heal. Gently cleanse with a mild, non-irritating face wash, then pat dry. Once dry, apply a conditioning lash serum or castor oil nightly for up to 2 weeks to strengthen regrowing lashes. If you notice persistent redness, swelling, sharp pain, or lashes pulling out, stop and consult a professional promptly. This is the key troubleshooting action. Otherwise, avoid mascara for 24 hours and resume normal care slowly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.